Hello everyone, welcome back to Princeton Review. Here is everything you need to know about arc length and radians if you want to take the SAT but have not taken pre-calculus yet. The SAT gives you these two formulas. The number of degrees of arc in a circle is 360 and the number of radians of arc in a circle is 2 pi. Now what does this mean? A radian is just another unit of measurement of angles. A circle has 360 degrees in total, but this can be converted into 2 pi. If we take a quarter of the circle, that creates a 90 degrees angle, but also 1/4 pi. A half is 180 degrees or pi, and so on. Converting degrees to radians is important for finding arc length, which is the distance between 2 points along a curve. This is because the arc length formula is significantly easier to use when using radians instead of degrees. To convert degrees to radians, we use the formula radians equals degrees times pi divided by 180. We then use the value of the radian to plug into the arc length formula, which is arc length equals radius times radians. Using this new information, let's look at a question given by Princeton Review. For question 2, we can manipulate the formula used to convert degrees to radians in order to convert radians to degrees. By using algebra, we get degrees equals radians times 180 divided by pi. Plugging in the radian given, we get 7 pi times 180 divided by 10 pi, leaving us with 126. So the answer is B. That is all for the short guide on radians. If you want further practice or review for pre-calculus content, as well as other sections on the Math SAT, then head to the link down below to purchase our SAT prep package. Hope you found this video helpful, and good luck studying for the SAT.